Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off and tap the brightness on this device. You need to start by opening Tap menu. Now click on Auto Brightness icon located under Brightness slider. If the shortcut is see-through, that means that Auto Brightness is off, but you can always switch it on by tapping on the same one again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Display. Following that, click on Brightness Level and click on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!